Hi all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5, Vlogmas 2023 Day 5, that's it. Yes, that's what I was trying to say. Welcome back. I hope you had a good night. Did you watch the movie? That is one of my favorites. I love that movie. Mixed Nuts was our movie last night. Superb. Oh, let's do our coffee first. Then we'll talk about the movie a little more. Okay, so it's Day 5. I'm going to say marshmallows for some reason. I don't know why I'm tasting marshmallows, but I am. Okay, you could peel a little easier here, little dude. There we go. Southern pecan. Oh, wow. I did not realize these have little sayings. So our saying today is, or I don't know, maybe it says it on every one of them. It says, try to be the rainbow in someone's cloud. Better than being a raindrop, I guess. But anyway, it's Southern pecan was the flavor. Not sure why I got marshmallow, but let me take another taste now that I know what it is. Because then I can be looking for that taste. Okay, I don't necessarily taste pecan, but it's not marshmallow either, so. Do a little tasty taste. Well, we know it's not marshmallow, but you know what I mean. And next, let's do the Grinch. Day 5. What is this? Is this a tree or a pine cone? Okay. I think it's a pine. I don't know if it's a pine cone or a tree.
Yeah.
Can they see it?
Yeah. That's a tough call.
It is?
I think it's a little tree.
It's awful tiny compared to them, but that doesn't mean anything. I mean, it's the Grinch, so. Anyway, okay, so I got something. I don't know what it is this time. It is either a pine cone or a Christmas tree. I really think a Christmas tree because it's flat on the bottom.
Wasn't there some cake on a duck?
Oh, that might be the cake.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, let's do my socks. It's Day 5.
Not the Who pudding.
These got smiley faces. Oh, heck yeah. With little Santa hats. Those are cute. Those are so cute. Aw, those are adorable. I'm really liking the pink. I didn't used to be a pink kind of person. For some reason, I'm really enjoying the pink socks this time. So, there's lots of pink in them. Let's see. Okay, so movies. We watched Mixed Nuts, which if you haven't watched it, it has Steve Martin in it. It's an excellent movie. I recommend you watch it. It makes me laugh. I watch it usually once a year because it's a Christmas movie as far as I'm concerned. It happens at Christmas. So, night before we watched Black Christmas, and I told you I didn't have my square done. So I did my square. This is a present. And I did the present because that's what they always bought Billy a present. Billy was the bad guy. And they always bought Billy a present at Christmas time. The sorority girls did. So that's why I did that. Then last night was Mixed Nuts. And if you watched it, you know that everything kind of revolves around the destruction of a Christmas tree. And yeah, Christmas trees in there a lot. And so I did a Christmas tree. I will put the tutorial I followed for this because I can't remember what it was right now, but it'll be in the description box. And while I was at it, I made me a little Christmas tree decoration, a smaller one with the same pattern. I just didn't make as many rows. So that goes on our tree if and when Neva ever puts it up. So there's that. Mixed Nuts is one of those, I don't know, corny, feel-good, Steve Martin-y kind of movies, and I like it. And it's a good Christmas movie. It makes you giggle. It was a good palate cleanser from the scary movies we've been watching since before Halloween. So yeah, let's see what movie, not that I'm complaining because I'm the one that picked the movies, but let's see what we got in here. I know what we got in here. Let's see what's next. Once Upon a Time at Christmas on Tubi. Once Upon a Time at Christmas on Tubi is what we're watching tonight. Never watched it, so this will be a new one for me. Hope y'all enjoy it. I hope...
Sorry.
It's time for LJ to get up.
Yeah, this is my sleeping alarm. Sorry.
He's already awake. Sorry about that, guys. Anywho, I hope you stay merry and spooky. And I'm going to put... There goes Hagrid's tail. Speaking of Hagrid, at the very end, I will put some pictures of Hagrid in a box. My daughters got blessed by my very sweet friend Karen. She made them the twins cardigans, which I cannot give you pictures of them in them because they don't want their face on video, on my videos, and they hate having their picture taken, period. So there's that. Maybe I'll put them on and... Nah, I'm not going to do that. They already have them, and I'm not going to ask for them back. But saying that to say that we got a big box with the sweaters in it today, and Hagrid made a little home in there. So Grandma Karen sent him a box as far as he was concerned. So I'll have some pictures at the end. If y'all don't know, Hagrid is my black cat. So there'll be pictures of him at the end if you would like to see him. He is beautiful. Okay. Really, for sure now. Stay merry and spooky and have a good night. Love y'all. Mwah.